Hey guys, you're on the line with Monespeaks. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I have created this tutorial. I did this hairstyle. It's my first time, so I hope you benefit from this. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always, stay blessed up, baby. I am going to be doing the rubber band method. This is my first time trying this out, so I got a few of these things, a whole lot of few. Queen bee in the 50-inch. I was actually going to get my hair professionally braided. However, coronas happened, and the coronas continued to happen. So I had to cancel that because I was like, forget it. I had already paid $20 deposit. I was like, you know what? Keep it, sis. You know. So meanwhile, I have all this hair. And, you know, I'm not the best braider out here, but I do a little bit. I do a little bit of something. So we're just going to see what happens. Oh, and then on top of that, you're like, well, Simone, why don't you just save it for when you get your hair braided after the Ronas? I think I'm probably going to get micro locks very soon. So I got to use the hair. Unless one of y'all want. Y'all want to buy it? I mean, like $2 a pack. What you want to do? Let me know. And I'm hoping that this will take like an hour or less, because Bless is always good. Hey. Okay, well that looks pretty decent. Oh. Uh-oh.